What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to expose Fashion Nova. And the reason why we're going to expose Fashion Nova is because they are the #1 Instagram brand on the internet right now. And we're not going to expose them in a bad way, but we're going to expose them in a good way that can actually help you guys. So if you're ready for this video, stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, Fashion Nova has almost 15 million followers. Now the crazy thing is that they have 42,000 posts, and a lot of people don't really notice that. Now the reason why they have 42,000 posts is because they're using a retargeting strategy and they're using content to be able to promote their brand. So if we look up this article by Fashion United, Google has stated that Fashion Nova has one of the most searched fashion brands alongside Gucci, Louis, Supreme, and Chanel in 2017, and I'm sure it's even higher in 2018. Now the crazy stat that that I thought that was surprising, not necessarily surprising, but that this is a huge number. Okay, 12,400 influencers who have mentioned their brand, and about they paid about 700 of them, which really doesn't matter. But at the end of the day, they have influencers promoting their products every single day. And we're not even going into specifics with Cardi, Nicki, Kim Kardashian, Amber Rose, and how much the followers they have. So imagine 12,400 of influencers promoting your own brand. Now what Fashion Nova is doing with those followers is that they're actually using a retargeting ad. So the whole retargeting ad process is very simple. So basically, when a customer lands on your website, they're thinking about buying the product, maybe they add to cart, maybe they initiate checkout, they're really thinking about it, they're really hesitant, and then they end up leaving the website. So let's say 3 to 7 days later, they're going on Facebook or Instagram, they scroll through their feed and they see a Fashion Nova ad, and then it recaptures their attention, right? They see what the product is about, they land on the website, this is the second encounter, and then they end up buying your products, which is a very simple process, right? Now there's actually different types of ways to actually retarget a customer other than a website. So the other ways is email list, where you can capture leads through your website, you can capture leads through Instagram or Facebook, and then you start retargeting that list. Or you can obviously, with the previous example, with the website traffic. And then of course we have engagement. Now with engagement, it is one of the most talked about term on Instagram, because with engagement, people can like your stuff, people can comment, people can follow you, people can message you. But put all that into play with how many followers Fashion Nova has with 42,000 posts. Now here's the thing that you guys do not see, okay? Basically Fashion Nova is using a strategy that requires lots of engagement and great content, and what they're doing is they're constantly posting, guys. So as you can see, you see 9 posts on this page, right? Now if you go back on each of those posts, Fashion Nova is literally posting every 15 minutes, every hour, every 45 minutes, every 2 hours. Fashion Nova is literally hammering on content on Instagram, and they have the right so, because they're they're #1 brand on Instagram. So what they're doing is that they're building up a community, they're building up a fan base of followers, so that at the end of the day, they're building up a community, and most importantly, cooking up that pixel. So at the end of the day, guys, imagine having each of your content that you post on your page, averaging 3,000 likes, 16,000 likes, 35 comments, 45 comments, 39 comments, right? 7,000 likes. Imagine having all this engagement on your actual page, and imagine having to retarget every single one just because you're posting every 15 minutes. So you're getting new customers every single day. So if you want to learn how to retarget every single person that lands on your Instagram page, what you can do is go on Facebook, right? They do have different types of options, and you do have to create a custom audience. And a custom audience is definitely different than a lookalike audience, which I do teach a lot about it in my program down below. But once you create the audience, here is the key right here: engagement. So with engagement, you have numerous different options you could choose from: video, Facebook pages, or Instagram business profile. Now here's the one that catches our eye right here: Instagram business profile. So Fashion Nova is using this section right here so that they can retarget everyone who's engaged with their business. So you have a couple of obvious options that you can choose from. So everyone who engaged with your business, anyone who's visited your business profile, people who've engaged with your post or ad, anybody that's messaged you, and even anybody that's even saved your post. So you have a lot of options to choose from to create a custom audience. And remember guys, retargeting ads is one of the cheapest and most affordable ads that you're ever gonna get, okay? This is not no cold traffic. This is people that have already visited your website or your Instagram profile. So once you create a custom audience, then you would want to go and create a Facebook ad using that exact audience. And to be able to find that audience, all you would have to do is go to custom audience in this section and select the audience that you want to retarget. So remember guys, you can retarget through your website, you can retarget through your business profile. There's a lot of options that you can retarget on Instagram. So Fashion Nova has built up data so that they can be able to retarget every single person that's landed on their page. So if we go to Fashion Nova's Facebook page, there's actually a section called info and ads, and you can literally cheat on your competitors and see what kind of ads they're running. I like to do this to find winning products. I like to do this to see how other ads are responding as well. So Fashion Nova has so many retargeting ads, guys. It's ridiculous. They have retargeting ads for Valentine's Day. They have retargeting ads for certain dresses. They have retargeting ads for certain influencers. They have a whole bunch of ads running, and this is at the point that you guys want to get to as well. You want to have as many ads as possible so that you can have the biggest reach, so that you can target your customers. So back to Fashion Nova's Instagram page. Like I said guys, 42,000 posts. Okay, so they're literally posting every single day so that they can constantly retarget people and get new customers, guys. Like I said guys, Fashion Nova does not run a lot of cold traffic ads, which a lot of you guys are running right now. So if you can take advantage of your Instagram followers, your new Instagram likes, your new Instagram comments, and retarget every single person, you'll be in good shape. And if you think they're only retargeting their followers, they've built up a community of celebs promoting their products. So with Cardi B, I don't even know how many followers she got, but if we look up Cardi B, guys, Cardi B probably has 50 million followers. I don't know, 40 million followers, which is a lot. We also have Kylie Jenner, right? Kylie Jenner promotes her products as well, 126 million followers. We also got Amber Rose promoting Fashion Nova as well. She has about 18 million followers, which is ridiculous. And then last but not least, we do have Kim Kardashian, which she has 127 million followers. Now if we add up all those followers to combine all the celebrities that I just listed, how many of those followers do you think are buying from Fashion Nova? How many of those followers are literally clicking the follow button on Fashion Nova, or commenting on Fashion Nova, or even liking a post on Fashion Nova? So you can see the power of a retargeting campaign that Fashion Nova is running right now. Their business is literally on autopilot, and they're really relying on influencers and their Instagram so that they can build their base. So to round it all off, basically what you guys have to do is that you have to utilize Instagram. Instagram is the future. Instagram is growing constantly with new followers every single day, and you need to use tactics and try to maneuver around so that you can get the cheapest conversions, especially when somebody's buying your products. Go out there and find Instagram influencers to promote your products. A lot of you guys are running Instagram influencer posts and not converting on sales. Let's say you run an influencer post, you get 300 visitors. A lot of you guys aren't even thinking about running a retargeting ad to those 300 visitors that have already seen your website, they've already visited your brand. So why not retarget every single one so that you can get those cheap clicks? And remember guys, you have to post content so that people can literally see your stuff. If you do not post, a lot of you guys are posting once a day. A lot of you guys are not even posting at all. If you do not post, this strategy will not work for you. So if you enjoyed this video and you want more videos like this, please hit the like button. It does help a ton, and make sure you subscribe if you're new. And also, if you want to learn more about dropshipping as well, and if you want to take it to the next level, I do have a program that you guys can check out. Lots of testimonials, a lot of people getting student results. And at the end of the day guys, your boy's still here. Peace out.